Kaching. You're a big boy na. Ay. Good morning, Pikachu. Pikachu. Papagoy. Yeah. Good boy. How old are you now?
He pooped on your blanket.
Oh, you make poops on my blanket? Oh my goodness. Bad
Good boy,
boy.
Pikachu.
No, he's bad boy, Kuya
Good
Iman.
boy.
Kuya Iman, bad boy na Pikachu na. Bantay ka, Pikachu. Take it be, he will step on it. Get a plate,
I think I dropped it on your slipper.
Get a tissue, be.
What? Why?
Throw it in the garbage. Kaching. Tick, 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 tick.
His poofs aren't even smelly, so you cannot even smell them.
Okay, say bye-bye to our vlog. Pikaching. Bye-bye, vlog. Thank you for today. He's not saying anymore.